Lion cubs in the heart of the African savanna, where golden grasses sway under the vast blue skies, a playful spectacle unfolds that captivates both wildlife enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Lion cubs at play. These tiny titans, with their oversized paws and boundless energy, are not just adorable bundles of fur. They are learning the art of survival in one of nature's most challenging arenas. As they tumble over each other in a flurry of roars and pounces, a deeper story emerges, one that reveals the intricate social dynamics and survival strategies inherent to their species. Their antics, tumbling over one another, pouncing on unsuspecting siblings, or mock stalking under the watchful gaze of their mothers, paint a vivid portrait of nature's unfiltered playfulness. Each little growl and clumsy pounce serves not only as a source of entertainment but also plays a vital role in honing their hunting skills and social behavior. Observing these innocent moments reminds us that even in the wild, growth includes periods of lighthearted exploration. As dusk descends and the golden light bathes their surroundings in warm hues, a more profound narrative unfolds. These playful interactions foster bonds not just between cubs but within entire prides, setting the foundation for future alliances essential for survival. The sight evokes smiles from all who witness it, encouraging us to appreciate both life's simplicity and complexity intertwined in nature's grand theater. Watching lion cubs frolic is like witnessing an impromptu circus act filled with boisterous antics and innocent mischief. Each leap into the air or clumsy roll in the grass is not merely for amusement, it's essential training for adulthood. Through this joyful chaos, they hone skills critical for hunting and forging bonds within their pride. Join us as we delve into this enchanting world where laughter echoes across the plains, uncovering what these spirited little hunters can teach us about family ties, cooperation, and resilience in the wild. In the heart of the African savanna, where golden grasses sway gently under the watchful eye of a brilliant sun, a delightful spectacle unfolds, lion cubs at play. These pint-sized predators, with their oversized paws and boundless energy, transform the vast wilderness into their personal playground. As they tumble and wrestle, each playful pounce and cheeky swipe not only showcases their burgeoning prowess but also offers a glimpse into the intricate social dynamics that will shape them into formidable lion cubs here. Amidst the tall grasses and acacia trees, lion cubs embark on their daily adventures. Each leap an explosion of energy, each tumble a lesson in camaraderie. Watching lion cubs at play is like witnessing nature's most captivating ballet, a blend of grace and chaos where every swat at a sibling's tail or mock ambush becomes a significant moment in their development. As they wrestle under the watchful gaze of their mothers, we catch glimpses into their social hierarchies and survival tactics that will one day shape them into formidable predators. Imagine witnessing these adorable furballs engaging in vibrant games of chase, practicing stealth as they creep up on unsuspecting siblings or darting after fluttering butterflies that flit just out of reach. Their antics are more than mere entertainment. They are vital lessons in survival and teamwork that will serve them well in adulthood. Lion cubs. Watching lion cubs frolic is like witnessing an impromptu circus act filled with boisterous antics and innocent mischief. Each leap into the air or clumsy roll in the grass captures a raw essence of joy that transcends their role as future predators. These playful moments serve not just to entertain, but also to hone their skills for survival. As they prance about, we catch glimpses of their personalities taking shape. Some are bold, fearlessly charging at imaginary foes, while others observe more quietly from the sidelines before joining in when courage strikes. In this captivating display of exuberance, we see nature's way of teaching vital lessons through play, a beautiful reminder that every creature has its own path toward greatness.